Got that 2016 Camero SS done. Stay tuned, I'll show you. Welcome back to FrankNCarrie's Adventures. Sorry about the long wait on for this video to come out, but I did get that 2016 Camaro done. I'll show you that here in a few. First, everything went well with Miss Carrie's mom's funeral. One important thing is, if you don't have life insurance, get some. Because we found out she didn't have no life insurance, so the kids ended up having to pay for the funeral, which basically drained our savings account. You know, get some insurance and cover yourself. But other than that, I got the model build. Now, what I think of this kit was a very good kit. It was well detailed. The molding, I mean, I could not complain about any of the molding. There was nothing I had problems with. You know, everything went together fine. It comes right down. Even it had the windshield wipers, everything. But it turned out very well. My eyes anymore, I have to really try to focus. When I'm doing it, I don't even wear my glasses because I'm using a magnifying glass here to put in the small parts. But it's difficult. My eyes ain't the greatest. That's due to, because I have diabetes, so my eyes are constantly changing and that, so. But like I said, I got it done. Nothing to complain about this kit. So I'd advise anybody to buy it. It's good for even a beginner. A beginner could put this together very easily. You know, just follow your instructions, take your time, and you know, just patience. You know, put some parts on it, let it dry. All right, I paint the bodies first. You may not want to, but that is the way I do it. I paint the body first, make sure it comes out smooth. I'll put the decals on, and then I'll put a clear coat on. And what the clear coat does, it makes your decals almost look like you painted them on. And like I say, it works very well for me. There is a clear coat out there, and it's called Super Gloss Clear Coat. I don't like it because you spray it, it bubbles. So I just use the regular clear coat. That's it. But yeah, this model, I enjoyed it. Like I said, I didn't have to really clean up mold lines, anything like that. So, like I said, it's one that I would recommend. So, alright. Here's that video of the model done on display. Yes, with the bikini girls. Then after that, there'll be some suggested videos for you. All of you have a good day. Me and Miss Carrie plan on going to Island Park tomorrow. And, well, it'll be today for you. But, yeah, we plan on going to Island Park. Maybe we'll see some some wildlife, shoot some video of how much snow's left up there, and that, and we'll just take you along. Alright, see you on the next one. Thanks again. Hope you enjoy the suggested videos also. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, here's that video. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area, over here somewhere. Just watching for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.